Keep your left palm on your stomach. Bend your left leg at knee. Slowly turn your whole body towards right side. Keep your left palm on the ground. Come to sitting position. From left to right side. Turn towards side. Slowly raise your right arm, opposite hand. Just the palm upward. Again inhale. Touch your bicep. Stretch upward. Exhale, go into the opposite side. No bend at the elbow. Hand straight. No bend at the elbows. Focus forward. Hold for a while. If it's possible, close your eyes and feel the balance of your body and mind. Normal breathing. Inhale. Stretch upward. Exhale, slowly, slowly down. Just the palm down. 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 Opposite side again. Just the palm upward again. Touch your bicep at the ear. Find stretch upward. Exhale, going to the opposite side. Focus forward. Hand is straight. No bend at the elbow. Stay for a while. Inhale. Stretch up. Synchronize your body movements along with the breath. Just palm down. Slowly bring back your hands. And the next one, Parivritta Trigonasana, cross triangle. Legs are more than half a meter apart. Keep your hands like this. Hands like this. Slowly inhale, raise your arm. Exhale, bending forward. Head up. Hands possibly closer at the back. Look upward. Make sure your back is straight. Take a deep inhalation. Exhale. Hold wherever you reach below the knee. Look towards your opposite hand, which is the up. Fine twist. Hold for a while. Normal breathing. Inhale, going to the opposite side. Fine twist. Hold for a while. Normal. Inhale, coming to this. Exhale, going to the opposite side. Fine twist. Hold for a while. Inhale, coming to this. Exhale, going to the opposite side. Hold for a while. Into the center, stop practicing. Look upward. Again, exhale, release. Slowly bend your right leg at knee. Keep it next to the knee, next to the knee. Push your chest towards your thigh. Take your opposite hand. Inhale. Make it a bigger circle. Exhale. Hold your big toe. Look slightly up at the back. Fine twist. Look slightly up at the back. Fine twist. Hold for a while. Make it bigger circle. Exhale. Release. Release your leg. Opposite leg. Keep it next to the knee. Next to the knee. Push your chest towards your thigh. Take your opposite hand. Inhale. Make a bigger circle. Exhale. Over the knee. Hold your big toe. Look slightly up at the back. Fine twist. Hold for a while. Normal breathing. Slowly release. Inhale. Make it bigger circle. Exhale. Release your leg. Firm your body. Inhale, lift your head, look upward. Feet. Exhale very slowly, slowly. Slowly. Down, down, down. Once again, firm your body. Elbows as much closer to the body. Inhale, lift your head, look upward, very slowly, synchronize. Normal breathing, stay for a while. Exhale very slowly. Down and down. Release your hands, interlock your hands Keep your chin on it, legs little apart. Relax for a while. Take a slow and deep inhalation. And very slow and long exhalation. Slow down your body breathing. Hands at the back. Interlock your hands at the back. Try not to leave a gap. Straighten your shoulders. Feet together. Firm your body. Inhale, lift your head, look upward. Hold for a while, normal breathing. Down. Down. Firm your body. Tighten your legs. Inhale, lift your right leg up. If you want, you can give a support. Hold for a while, normal breathing. Exhale very slowly, slowly down. Slowly, slowly down and down. Up. Hold for a while, normal breathing. Exhale. Down, down, down. Once again, bring the legs together, keep your chin on the ground. Firm your body, inhale, lift your both legs together. Hold for a while, normal breathing. Exhale down. Slowly, slowly down. Down. Down, down. Your left palm next to the chest. Turn to supine position. Next is supine position, the last one. And the next one is called Ardha Kandarasana, spinal twist. Bring the knee, bend your both legs at knee. Trying to touch your heels and the buttocks. Possibly. Toes, heels, knees together. Keep your both hands up above the head, above the head. Try not to touch at the head. Take a slow and deep inhalation. While exhaling slowly, simultaneously, head goes one side, legs are going to the opposite side. Go to the maximum extent possibly. Head goes one side, legs are going to the opposite side. Fine twist. One side, ear on the ground, opposite side and knees together. Normal breathing. Normal breathing. Possibly close your eyes and feel that twist. Slowly inhale. Very slowly. Synchronize your body movement along with the breathing. Come to the center. Exhale. Go into the opposite side. Go to the maximum extent possibly. Fine twist. Hold for a while. Inhale slowly, simultaneously, same time. Come to the center. Hands by the side of your body, little apart from the body. Palms facing upward. Keep close your eyes. All body parts that wherever you feel, wherever you felt slight stretches during those exercises. Slow down. As much you slow down, that much more and more it helps to calm down your mind, cool down your body. Slowly bring back your awareness. Bring the legs together. Just follow the instructions. Bring the legs together very slowly. Hands by the side of your body. Touch to the body. Take a slow and deep inhalation. Very slow and long exhalation. Passive inhalation. So thumb is inside. Make a fist. Make a fist. Adi Mudra. Thumb is inside. Make it. Thumb is inside. Make a fist. Back and neck erect and straight. Collapse your shoulder. Normal human body posture is chest is in front, shoulder is in back. It's like this. Thumb is inside. Make a fist. This way. This way. This way. Thumb is inside. Keep your back and neck erect. Let's do it together. right nostril and left nostril. This is used for right nostril and left nostril. So close your right nostril, close your eyes, keep your back and neck erect and straight. It always starts from the left nostril. Close your right nostril, very slowly exhale through the left without making sound, very slowly exhale through the left. Inhale through the same side, same nostril, very slowly. Inhale through the opposite side very slowly. Inhale through the same side, same right side, very slowly. Once again. Javaidegena Yopakarotam Pravaramuninam Patanjalim Pranchaliranadosmi Shanti Shanti Shanti. Before opening the eyes, rub your both palms together. Let it come. Feel that. Feel that. And with simple palming at the eyes, while pressing, inhale. Let the heat spreads all over the body. Press at the ears, press at the shoulders, and slowly with few blinks open your eye. Thank you, sir.
Well friends, you must have learnt a lot about the advanced postures of yoga. We are here in Majoda at Carpe Diem, and we have the director Daigle Gudino with us, and he would tell us what's the meaning of Carpe Diem now and more about how you had the concept of having yoga or different type of classes.
Yeah, well, Carpe Diem is actually a Latin phrase, and what it popularly translates into is seize the day, or sort of grab the moment. And
is it the name of the house, or is this concept by you?
No, it's not the name of the house. The phrase itself, Carpe Diem, is quite popular across the world, but the house that it's located in is my ancestral house. So it's known as the Gudinho house, or the Jacques Gudinho house, because at some point the Jacques family also married into this house. So well, basically Carpe Diem is like an art and learning center.
Yeah.
That's what we've tried to create out of it, and it's more of a creative space. Currently Carpe Diem is partly an art gallery, and we have for example an art exhibition running right now, and the rest of the space can also be used for pretty much anything from yoga classes to music to dance workshops to we have a stage space at the back, so we can do like theatre performances or musicals.
All the very best for you, Daigle. Well friends, I am sure you must have learned a lot of postures in these advanced yoga classes. Keep watching Fashionista and writing to me at features@prudentmedia.in if you have any queries or suggestions. Till then, take care and goodbye.